Technology called galvanizing compound zinc comprises the following steps. Surface preparation prior to application of anti-corrosion coating. Preparation of a working composition for application. The application of a protective coating. Layered drying coatings. Quality control coating. The ultimate endurance anti-corrosion coating before start operation. Called galvanizing, a drawing of the prepared surface method's characteristic of special coating zinc composition containing a chemical active high purity zinc, 99.99% 4/9 polymeric binder and solvent. Abrasive blasting is used for cleaning metal structures on the scale, various oils and grease, rust, old coatings, etc. The metal surface is cleaned abrasive blasting to degree SA 2,5 ISO 8501. Training also allowed the surface manually or mechanically to ST2 ISO 8501 followed by degreasing. Old surface damaged by rust patches trimmed mechanically. Scraper, sandpaper, brush or water is treated under a pressure of 10 to 20 MPa. In previously painted surface, the paint must be removed mechanically or chemically or by water under pressure 175 to 275 MPa, followed by degreasing the treated surface. Composition zinc is ready to use for application by brush, roller or spray. If necessary, the composition is diluted with xylene or with solvent from 5 to 15 degrees depending on the application. Use other solvents is not permitted. Ready composition called galvanizing zinc for carrying out works on drawing must be mixed with interval of 20 to 30 minutes. Zinc composition should be applied in layers. You will need to overlap edge bands applied previously. The service life on the finished coating depends on its thickness and the extent of the corrosion aggressiveness of the environment. Recommended thickness of the coating composition based on a cold coating of at least 80 micrometer. When applying a protective coating zinc, all work must be conducted at ambient humidity to 90% and a temperature of from 35 degrees below zero to 80 degrees above zero. Protective structure zinc is fully compatible with more than 90% of the finishing bond coatings. Guaranteed compatible with epoxy, acrylic, urethane acrylic, polyurethane, chlorinite rubber, vinyl chloride and oil coatings. Ingredients for cold galvanizing zinc is used in areas such as industrial, civil transportation and military construction, the construction of oil and gas, energy, facilities and underground railways, port and hydraulic works transport. LTD Research and Production Center Teplo Anti-Korzashita was founded by experienced foreign experts who develop innovative products in the field of protection of metals from corrosion products that developments on the market for over 14 years in the 3 countries. Zinc thread composition zinc was designed to create competitive with foreign products to protect steel structures against corrosion, which combines the thread and the barrier methods of protection. Has an extremely high resistance among single component formulations in a hostile environment in accordance with the requirements. Corrosion tests on artificially aging the cover zinc carried out under the influence of salt mist in accordance with ISO 7253 exceeded 1440 hours with a 3-layer coating without breaking. On the basis of the Scientific Production Center, opened its own production for the production of the composition for the cold galvanizing metal structure zinc and ceramic insulation alisol, with appropriate patent documents, a number of conclusions of independent testing laboratories, as well as certificates confirming the quality of the manufactured product. Please note that in recent years has spread the production of zinc primers that have protective properties, so be sure to ask for the results of corrosion tests and certificates. Zintech. Work with professionals.